Hey there, quilters. Have you ever wondered what actually goes on in a quilter's brain mid-project? If it's me, it's probably snacks. It's probably spirals of creativity. It's probably what I would consider beautiful. Others would consider chaos. Hey, Star Stitchers. I'm Kristen from IC Stars Quilting, where we keep quilting fun, approachable, and totally judgment-free here. Today, I'm doing something a little bit different. I tracked every single thought that I had while sewing this quilt kit. And yes, it's a little too real when I watch it all the way back from start to finish. So there were a couple moments where things went very much wrong. There is no perfection required in this. And I just thought that you would love a little inside look at what goes on inside the mind of a quilter. I have a gorgeous quilt kit that was sent to me by the Fabric Hut. It is one of their newest patterns. You can buy this quilt kit. Everything is pre-cut. It cannot get easier than this. I absolutely am in love with these quilt kits. If you are interested in checking out some of the quilt kits that they have in stock, check out the link down below this video to get a special percentage off coupon for my audience only and see what all they have. Fabric is already cut, which is awesome. Truly, thank you, previous Kristen, for choosing this kit version. I am wanting to follow this exactly. I should just stick with the pattern. Should I freestyle it? I mean, rules are more like guidelines anyways, right? Okay, I am pumped. I can do this. I'm gonna sew probably most of this all day long, unless I get interrupted, but more than likely, I think I can get a lot of this done today. Just one seam, and then I will feel like I've been productive after I've had my coffee. Yeah, after I've had my coffee. Should I be pressing this to one side or should I be pressing it open? What did the pattern say? Never mind. What does my heart say I should be doing to this? I should probably press it to the side. Ooh, this fabric is cute. I know this is Northcott fabric. I should probably go online and see if I can find this fabric. Wait, did the pattern say a 1/4 inch seam or did it say that rebellious scant quarter that everybody gets confused with? I absolutely love to sew. Yes, we're going to watch the entire Bridgerton series again today. I love this. I swear I just cleaned this space up. Where did my rotary cutter go? Why is the thread always tangled the moment that I am the most emotionally unstable? This is fine. I'm totally fine. Where did I go wrong? It's probably something small. I can fix this. I can fix this. I can absolutely fix this. I can fix this. I think I can fix this. Hey, what time is it? Did I eat lunch? All right, yes, I am sewing today, which means I'm gonna get so much done. I'm so productive. Just a straight line, that's all I need to do on this quilt. It's gonna be so wonderful. This pattern is looking amazing. This fabric from Northcott is so nice. I am in the zone. I am in the zone. Ooh, that stitch line is straight. Somebody call those quilt police and tell them to give me a medal because this is what they need to see. They don't need to see when things are a little bit chaos in here. They need to see this right here. This is the calm that I didn't know I needed at the end of the day. It's like I'm sewing myself back together right now, and I'm so glad that I made the time for this today. I wonder if my grandma would like this quilt. She probably would. I am in the zone. I am in the zone. Why do I always forget that this part takes forever? I thought I would be done. This would be a lot easier if I had 6 arms and 0 emotions. Okay, game time. If I finish this, I get to start on my next project. Your quilts are not just fabric and thread. Your quilts are memories and joy and a little bit of therapy with a side of starch and a lot of ironing out the wrinkle. This pattern is coming together so quickly. Like, I feel like I am the queen of half square triangles right now. Absolutely loving this. Like, it doesn't get any easier than this while still feeling like I'm actually doing something. Some pre-cuts, I feel like I didn't actually like earn anything on the pre-cut because they were already there, but this one still has me doing some work and still learning some skills. Note to self, always label your quilts. I cannot forget to label this quilt. Don't forget. Wait, did I leave the laundry in the washer? I should probably go check that. Oh, but we can't stop right now. I'm like working through this stack of... Okay, fine. I thought I didn't like this quilt for a little bit, but actually, maybe I do like this quilt. I haven't yet decided if I want to add an extra border or if I want to stick to the script here. Should I add an extra border? Oh, shoot. No, this block is upside down, I think. I am chaos. This whole quilt is chaos. I absolutely sewed this block wrong because I was watching my TV show and yeah, I sewed it upside down. I've done this before. Nobody panic. We've done this before. We know the drill. Time to get the seam ripper out. I think I can finish this entire quilt this afternoon. How cool is that to finish this entire quilt top in one afternoon? And it is absolutely gorgeous too. All right, borders are done. It is on the quilt. Look at this beauty. Quilt top is all put together. I was getting ready to work on the backing here, and this was all bundled up, you know, I had it all wrapped, and I showed you like at the beginning of the video. And I was thinking, okay, so I know I'm gonna have to piece my backing together. Let's go to the step here in the pattern. And so we're trimming the backing using a 1/2 inch seam, which is pretty typical on the back of a quilt because you want a nice thick seam there. And Fabric Cut made it pretty much idiot proof. Okay, so there's 2 pieces of fabric here that they ask you to trim the selvage off so you don't have any extra stuff that's not needed in there. And then you're going to sew 70 inches along this way. And this is your width of fabric, right? 70 inches along this way. And yeah. And even if you need help with the backing, there is a tutorial link that you can watch here. So yeah. No weird piecing of the backing or anything on here. It's pretty much idiot proof. And thank you for that, Fabric Cut. I absolutely love it. This right here is the binding, which is already cut with the fabric. It's gonna be so cute on this like bluish color. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. I can't wait to quilt it. This kit is simple and the fabric is gorgeous. Absolutely 10 out of 10 would do again. I also really like the way that this pattern was designed. While making this quilt, I did work on several skills, most notably the half square triangle skill, which is always a very good thing for you to practice as a quilter. And it's always refreshing to see how you can use the half square triangle in different ways to create different layouts with different looks. This quilt is also really nice size. The finished quilt is 62 by 62. So it's a nice, good quilt. And the fact that it comes with everything that you need for it, pre-cut, is amazing. So if this quilt looks like something that should be on your bucket list, make sure you check out the link below and grab this quilt kit from the Fabric Cut using the special discount code that you can only get from here on my channel. So what is inside a quilter's brain? I'm gonna say it's a whole lot of love, a sprinkle of chaos, and at least one moment of, why did I do this again? But in the end, every single stitch is worth it. So tell me down in the comments, what is the weirdest thought that you have had mid-quilt, okay? I'm collecting them like orphan blocks, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I would absolutely love to know what is the weirdest thought that you've had while you're working on a quilt. Also, make sure you forward this to your quilting bestie who definitely says, let me sew just one more seam. and then they stitch for another 3 hours. So you can also share this with somebody who owns more fabric than groceries. They'll understand this video. Make sure to please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I share new videos every single week. And by subscribing to this channel, you are joining my group of star stitchers. We're fantastic. We have fun. And we have so many more moments of cozy chaos coming your way. I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and watching me put this quilt together. I really do love the way that it turned out. I love the quilt kits from the Precut. They are amazing and they are perfect, and the instructions are so crystal clear and it turns out gorgeous every single time. So I'll see you on the next video. Have a great week. Bye.